Hello, today's video topic is being a quarantine during COVID pandemics through the prism of benefits. The COVID-19 pandemics was the time of my life when I realized who I am and what are my wishes for the next day. Being in quarantine during COVID's time was a great experience for me because it made me think for the future, for the people around me, and also for what is the meaning of the word freedom. For me, freedom means the ability to do what you want in the time when you want it. While staying at home in the pandemic period, I realized how much I missed my freedom in the everyday life. All the restrictions that were imposed by the government, such as wearing masks everywhere and the curfew hours, were too much for me because I don't like being restricted at all. And now I love my freedom and I think we must protect it. So freedom is a chance to be yourself and to show your quarantine personality to the world. My benefit from being a quarantine is that now I appreciate the freedom I have every single day. This video is part of the projects Active Memories, ActMem, and European Stories. It's a result from the workshop of Nasko Fotev and Stanisława Vasileva, Face the Challenge, Active Youth. Thank you for your attention.